This Vicks Starry Night Cool Moisture Humidifier provides soothing, cool, invisible moisture and a calming environment to help your child sleep. The V3700 features a projector screen that transforms your child's room into a starry night sky. Its scent pad heater produces soothing menthol vapors for added comfort. Automatic moisture balance system. Easy to use, variable humidity control for customized output. Runs up to 24 HRS per filling on low. Perfect for medium to large rooms. Water is absorbed into a porous wicking filter. Air blowing from the fan through the filter evaporates moisture into the air. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Starry Night Filtered Cool Moisture Humidifier. Vicks Invisible Mist Humidifier is an essential part of a good night's sleep when family members are sick. During allergy season or when the air is dry, works with Vicks VapoPads sample included for extra soothing comfort. Number 2. Stars Light Up the Ceiling. This kids and baby humidifier with night light transforms a room into a starry night sky. With the projection feature includes a filter that filters minerals from the water, so the moisture is cleaner, and a wide tank opening. Number 3. Cough and congestion relief. Humidifiers for the home can be helpful during the cold season when it's difficult for children to sleep with a cough and congestion. A baby humidifier or vaporizer can provide temporary relief by adding necessary moisture to the air. Number 4. Humidifiers for bedroom and more. A cool mist humidifier is great for a baby, young children, and adults, and fits perfectly into any room. Use them when the air is dry, in allergy season, when sick, or even just to maintain optimal indoor humidity levels. Number 5. A century of powerful relief. At Vicks, we believe that everyone deserves a touch of care. Our line of humidifiers, steam inhalers, and vaporizers help you breathe better and sleep more comfortably wherever you are, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Does it have a light? If so, can it be turned off while the vaporizer is on? Answer. This unit has 2 lights. One is a night light, one that can be turned on and off. The light around the control ring, however, cannot be turned off. Question number 2. Does this have a filter or is it filterless? Answer. This Vicks humidifier uses a filter, and one filter will be included. Question number 3. How much water can be added? Answer. This unit's tank holds 1 gallon of water. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.